My kids have been teaching me Gen Z because they told me that nobody under 25 is listening to anything I'm saying. My son literally looked at me and said, "Dad, your content has got zero rizz." Bet. So we're gonna fix that right now. If you are over 25, get out. You're not gonna understand what I'm saying because I've been taking coaching from a 12-year-old. This video is only for those of you under 25. Everyone over 25, go. Now, if you're under 25, firstly, I apologize because I am gonna fuck this up. I'm an unk now. I've accepted it, but I really need to get these ideas to you. I need to talk to you about manifesting. And I'm going to do it in your language because my 12-year-old made me practice this at a dinner table for a week, and I refuse to let that suffering happen for nothing. I've got 5 blocks I want to talk to you about. We're going to skip block 6, 7 because I think you'd have catch my drift by then. Block number 1, your self-worth right now, it's giving nothing. For real. It's giving, I peaked at 8th grade. It's giving, I don't deserve good things and I don't know why. It's giving childhood trauma pretending to be personality. That's not main character energy. That's barely background NPC energy. It's the number 1 reason people can't manifest what they want. 33% of you who took my survey are walking around with a subconscious program that says, I'm not worthy, running on autopilot. No cap, that's not abide, that's brain rot. Block number 2, you are chronically attached to outcomes. You want things so bad that you are white-knuckling the universe. You're being Delulu, but not in the fun way. Not the I'm Delulu, but I'm manifesting kind. The desperate way. You are giving, I texted them 14 times and they haven't responded. That's not manifesting. That's stalking the universe. Non-attachment is the move. The moment you stop death gripping your desire is the moment it actually has room to show up. Low key is the hardest skill on this list. High key, the most important. Block number 3, your identity is cooked. Not your goals, your identity. You're out here trying to manifest a 6-7 figure life with a nothing good ever happens to me operating system. That is like trying to run the latest iOS on your phone from 2011. The hardware can't support the download. You don't need better affirmations. You need an identity upgrade. And until that happens, every technique you try is mid, which in manifesting is nothing. Block number 4, your nervous system is not on board. You say you want abundance, but your body, your actual nervous system goes into fight or flight when good things happen. Someone compliments you and you deflect. An opportunity shows up and you find reason it won't work. That's your nervous system going, this is sus. We've never had this. Shut it down. You are self-sabotaging and calling it caution. For real. This is not protecting yourself. This is your inner NPC running a script that got installed when you were 7. Block number 5, you're performing manifesting instead of doing it. You're posting about your receiving error. You're buying the crystals, the aesthetics, but internally, nothing has shifted. Your inner work, non-existent. You have main character energy with side character beliefs, and the universe can tell the difference. That's not slaying. That's cosplaying growth. Touch grass. And by touch grass, I mean actually go sit somewhere quiet, close your eyes, and ask yourself what you're really afraid of receiving. That's the real grass. Now, here's the part where I stop trying to relate to you and your generation. Everything I just described, I had every single one of these blocks. Your generation is the most self-aware generation in history. You understand trauma response, nervous system regulation, identity and attachment styles better than any generation before you. The problem is, nobody's connected that knowledge to manifesting because the manifesting world is full of unks like me saying things like raise your vibration, and you think that's mid. It's not mid. There's real science behind this, real neuroscience, real identity psychology, and real techniques that actually stay if you step away from the woo-woo and get to the mechanism. So that's why Mindvalley's Manifesting Summit is about. 3 days, we cover every block I just named, plus more. We've had incredible speakers from Gwyneth Paltrow to Joe Dispenza speaking. This year, we're putting together another incredible portfolio of speakers. Check out this list, and it's completely free. No gatekeeping, no cap. I'll see you at the Mindvalley Manifesting Summit. 6-7, whatever the f that means.